guys see the texture of this hair? Like, this is a body wave wig. It's not too often that I get body wave hair, and the body wave is still there even after I wash it. This low-key looks like a looser version of, like, I don't know, it looks like water wave hair. I was just like so amazed by that. It's a little bit looser here in the front because I had to pluck and use the hot comb, but look at this pattern on this wig. Just so excited. So y'all finna go ahead and get into this install. Products that I'm going to be using, everything's going to be in my Amazon storefront per usual. You can find that link down below in my description box. This is going to be a glueless install, of course, so I will come back to you guys once I am done installing this hair. If you guys are not new to my channel, I'm not doing anything that I wouldn't normally do for my glueless installs, and then we will come back once this wig is all the way laid and melted.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love.
I'm trying to gain weight, y'all, so I gotta take a break to check the shape.
Move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body.
Okay, so I'm all done installing this hair. I didn't do too much like styling to it per se because, like I told you guys earlier, I am absolutely in love with how the hair is in its natural state. This is literally the hair after it has been washed, conditioned, and air dried. And I thought I was tripping at first, so I washed and air dried the hair again, and I still got the same exact result. For this to be a body wave texture, and it's a body wave texture that keeps its texture even once it's been washed, like straight out of the package, I don't come across hair like this too often, so we were already off to a pretty good start. Now, this hair is from a hair company that I have never tried before. I've never heard of them. I've never seen any reviews for them, so I really took a chance with them, but I'm really glad that I did because, like I said, so far, they're good in my book. I plan on doing like an update video of me actually blowing the hair out and putting some curls in it, because if it looks this good in its natural state, I know for a fact that it's going to hold the curl very well, and I'm pretty sure it'll straighten pretty good as well. So make sure you guys go follow me on TikTok if you guys want to see how this hair looks once it has some heat put to it. And so yeah, let me go ahead and give you guys the details of the hair. This is their 13x4 HC lace body wave wig. I do have it in 30 inches. The density on it is 250% density, and it didn't give me an option to pick a cap size, so just assume that this is the standard cap size, meaning one size fits all. You guys already know how these wigs come. They come with combs, adjustable straps, and that is pretty much that. Inside the packaging, it wasn't anything different from what I normally get in packaging. What I get here, it's like an elastic band, some eyelashes, some hair clips, like a satin scarf of some sort, and all that good stuff. If any of you guys wanted to know what the texture of this hair is, this is Brazilian virgin hair. It did come in the natural brown color. Now, I did put Adore's mahogany hair dye on this hair. I did lift it just a little bit with the bleach bath. So if you guys don't know how to do a bleach bath, I did a video on that already, so I will link that down below. and then I just put this color on top. Now on camera it probably doesn't show it to its full potential, but this is one of those hair colors where it's very subtle and you'll really see it once you like get outside in the sunlight. This is for those of you guys who like want to try color but kind of want to like ease your way into it. This mahogany color is the perfect color for somebody just wanting to try a little bit of color, if you guys get what I mean. You can see the hints of red in the hair, and you can also get the hints of the brown in the hair. Like I said, I don't think the camera's really doing a good job at picking up on it, but you guys, in person, this hair color is beautiful. When you get the wig is going to come as is. It's not pre-plucked or customized for you at all. So what I did was I went ahead and bleached the knots, and I did go ahead and pluck the hairline. First impressions with this hair, I absolutely love it. Now I got a little bit of shedding with this hair. It wasn't anything to tell you guys like, oh, this is one of the things I don't like about the hair. It was just about average. Now this hair is 30 inches, so at some point if it does tangle a little bit, that is to be expected. And I mean, like, you know, just from you wearing all the hair, you know, towards the back, you might get some tangling here at the nape area, so that's to be expected. Just like keep a wide tooth comb or like a paddle brush on you at all the time. Depends on like how you're wearing the hair too. With it being 30 inches, it is definitely very full, and like I said, I did get this wig in 250% density. Normally I wouldn't get densities that high, but this wig is just perfect as it is. It makes perfect sense. So yeah, this one is a winner. Like I said, if you guys want to see how this hair looks once it's like actually styled and some heat is put to it, head over to my TikTok for that. I'll have that up in a little bit. I kind of want to enjoy wearing it just like this in its natural state until I decide to put heat on it. But anyway, if you guys are interested in this hair, which I have a feeling a lot of you guys will be, just based off this amazing review, the link will be in my description box. The links to everything will be in my description box. But if you guys still should have any additional questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.